So is one denim easier to sew on? The quick answer is yes. They are like solid. When you pick up the jacket in a thrift store, just pull it. If there's no give and it feels really chunky, it's going to be hard to stitch. Then we've got kind of the medium weight ones. This one is softer. You can feel there's more give in the fabric. It's got a bit of stretch to it. So this one is going to be easier to stitch. And then this one is the easiest. So this is an H&M and this has got a lot of stretch in it. So again, this is going to be super easy to stitch compared to the true denim of Levi's. So if you've got a super heavy denim like the Levi's, how do you stitch it?